make this world a better place to live.
Thank you, Ashwin. And we are starting from the webinar of life coaching. And takeaways of today's webinar are first, we have to understand what exactly life coaching is, right? So, the few of you might be aware, but it is my experience that many of the participants are not aware of what exactly life coaching is. And we are going to learn today what exactly life coaching is. We are also going to dwell on what is the industry potential and the growth prospects of a life coach as a professional, life coach as a practitioner. Then I'm going to dwell deep into the difference between a certified life coach and a master life coach. And today's webinar is actually not on to be a life coach. Today's webinar is to how to become a successful master life coach. There's a great amount of difference between a certified coach and a master coach. So we are going to understand it today so that in your career you can take a right decision. Also, I'm going to brief you today on the world's highest qualification and world's highest development ecosystem to become a master life coach. During the webinar, I'm going to also understand your needs, challenges, right? And not only understand your needs and challenges, but provide you the solution to your needs and the challenges what you are facing in your life, right? I may not be successful in 100% of the cases, but I am sure that I can provide a solution. When I say I means I'm talking about a master my life ecosystem can provide a solution to your needs and challenges today. Also, just providing solution is not enough in life, because you should be supported in implementing that solution. So we are also going to discuss how we can support you in implementing the provided solution, because the goal is simple and goal is only one: how you can become a master life coach. This is a goal. This particular goal is not a goal in isolation. This particular goal has come from the variety of the needs and challenges we beings, we human beings, we professionals, we family people face during our life. And the solution to that is to be a master life coach. But you need a hand holding to really become a master life coach. It is not a cakewalk. It's a great solution, but you require a support. Today, I'm going to explain you what is that support I am talking about, which will transform your life for something much better, right? So this is the scope of today's webinar. So before going ahead, let me understand what exactly you are looking for in life other than generic things. What are the generic things? I want to be happy in life. Of course, everyone wants to be happy in life. I want to be successful in life. Of course. I want peace in life. Right? Of course, right? Nobody can have a desire that I don't want peace, I don't want happiness, I don't want success. So these are generic needs. Other than the generic needs, I am asking what you really are looking for in your life, and in what you are looking for, what are the obstacles and the challenges you are facing is my straight question to you, and you can type the answer in the chat box. So in my life journey, I'm going to basically cover two aspects. That is what needs I failed during each particular life cycle stage, because depending upon the life cycle stage, your needs, challenges also changes, of course. So that I'm going to dwell on. I'm also going to dwell on the challenges what I face, and all these needs and challenges have driven me to innovate, to create, and to establish a solution what I'm going to share with you today, right? So now I'm going to stop the presentation and I'm going to share my own life journey with you. And I want to see whether this my life journey resonates with you or not. So as I already said that our needs and the challenges changes as per our life cycles. So whatever is your need or challenge right now at this point in time, after 5 years, 10 years, you will have a different need, different challenge, right? So to start with means I will start from my basically the schooling days, and then I will come to my professional life, and I will briefly share with you that is what needs and the challenges I face on the journey, and what kind of solutions have derived out of this particular needs and challenges. So I belong from a very small town, Satara, and have studied in a vernacular Marathi medium till 10th standard, right? When I moved to Pune during my high school, I realized that I must improve on my communication and overall personality. At that time, I had many gaps. I had a stage fear, I had a problem of spoken English, social skills. I think that most of the students, especially from the smaller cities, do face this problem of personality development at the early stage of their college, or even at the early phase of their startup career. We can attribute this to our only academic oriented education. Our education system is not a soft skill or the overall personality development oriented education. Our education system is mainly academic, IQ oriented, memory oriented, and that is one of the causes that our education system do not necessarily develop a holistic personality, right? So if you have gone through this particular phase in your college days or in your earlier career days, that you were lacking in the soft skills or the personality development, please type personality in the chat box. I want to see that whether this particular problem or the need resonates with you, right? So yes, personality. Atif is resonating with this, but Bala Sahib, yes. Vikram, Devashish, Pankaj Bora, Sure Healing, I don't know your name, Nagesh, Sangmitra, Shweta Kumari, Sri Kumar, Pritesh, Devyansh, Divyansh, right? So you are resonating, Neelam, you are resonating with this particular need of the personality development, and few of you, yes, Kala Sriram from Chennai, okay, yeah. So the Sure Healing is basically Kala, okay, fine. Manisha, Hetal, Nandia, yes. So many of you, right? I think majority of you are resonating, not necessarily now, right? So the few of you might be realizing it now, or few of you have, like me, have earlier realized that yes, so you wanted to develop your personality, or you want to develop your personality now. So it is clear to me, right? So what I'm going to do that today, I'm going to provide a solution for this challenge or the need of personality development, right? When you become a master life coach, not only you develop your own personality, you are in a position to develop other person's personality. So that is the, say, strength, or the, that is the glory of becoming a master life coach. Okay, so now I from the high school, now I go to my, say, college. After completion of my engineering, within 1 year I got married. So it is a love marriage, and because of some circumstances I had to marry at a very early age of 22. And as a graduate training engineer, my salary at that time was only 1800 rupees. Because at that time, I'm talking about 1993, when there used to be the government stipend. It is called as graduate trainee engineer stipend. That was only 1800 rupees. And of course, means because of this kind of salary, right? So means I was stressed at that time. That is okay. How now I will manage the family responsibility, especially because due to a low marriage, my family support had stopped because they were not agreeing with that and all that. So I was unfortunately or fortunately on my own, and I had to see that in a meager salary, either I have to manage or I have to do something else. So basically, to meet ends, I started working part-time, right, in the evening also. So there was a one full-time job from the morning till evening, and evening to night there was another part-time job. The job profile of the evening job was not what I aspired for or what I was liking. It was a kind of doer to doer selling kind of job, right? And I was engineer and all that, but in spite of that, I had to basically do it to earn money. So, and when you do something and you do not like it, it impacts your behavior, it impacts your personality, right? So because of that unhappiness in me, that is, I'm not liking what I'm doing, I used to be under stress and I used to get angry very easily. Why? Because I was always under the agitated state, because I was not enjoying what I was doing. I had to do it only for to get some kind of financial income or the financial security. Especially when you start your married responsible life, it is the financial security which becomes your number one priority. And this is what I realized, means when I got married. So this was my realization. And even after having an engineering degree, I was not earning enough to meet my basic needs. Of course, at that time, I used to feel embarrassed about my situation. I had to resort to a part-time evening job of door-to-door selling after doing engineering degree. At the age of 22, right, means I started this particular activity at the end of my 22. You can say at the age of 23, I used to work daily from morning 8 till night 10 to get some additional income and financial security. I don't think that many of you would have or will experience this at this very young age. But if the need of financial security and the challenge of lower salary level resonates with you, please type finance in the chat box. That is, I'm not saying as bad as mind condition, but a worry about the financial security, worry about your lower salary, worry about your financial security resonates with you, please type finance in the chat box. Let me see. Yeah. Nagesh, Bala Sahib, Sophia, Praveen, Rameshwar, Rahul, Kala. Yes, thank you. Rose, Mrs. Rosa, Hiru. Yes, Hiru, I remember you. I remember few of you because you are a master class participants. Good. Muzaffar, Gaurav, Mahadev, Divyansh. Yes, I remember you, Divyansh. Abhishek. SG is who? SG? Punam, Nilam, Shweta, Prajakta, Sri Kumar. Yes, so the many of you are basically resonating with this particular challenge of the financial security. And what solution of Master Life Coach I'm going to offer you today will absolutely address this particular concern. Absolutely. Without any doubt. Without any doubt, you will get the solution for this particular challenge called as financial security, or a need called as financial security. Then now from the college and the early, say, marriage life, for the first few years after marriage, I used to work morning 8 to 10. And of course, because of that, I did had some better income and I did get some kind of financial stability. The next need what I felt in my life, right? I'm talking about, say, in my in my early 30s, in my late 20s, in my early 30s, that need was career development and career growth. In spite of all the hard work, I was not getting necessary salary raise and increments, right? And of course, when I was when I'm not getting the say minimum the salary raise and the increase, so where is the question of I getting good promotions, right? I was not getting the respect and the growth I thought at that time I deserve. Many times I felt that my sincere efforts were not appreciated. So I'm just explaining my feelings and emotions. So this is the memory, this is the memory I have at that time, how I used to feel. I used to feel sad actually. That is, okay, I'm working so hard, I'm doing so much for the company, but I'm not getting good increment. They are not honoring my efforts and all that feelings used to be there. I used to feel that my sincere efforts were not appreciated. I had to, because of that, I had to resort to frequently changing the jobs. Why? Because when you change the job, especially engineers and the MBA people do it frequently. So when you change the job, the next job, of course, gives you 30% more salary, 20-30%, right? So generally you jump, say, in your hierarchy as well as in your salary level. But it is a very myopic view. Why? Because it destabilizes your career, right? Because if you start changing your job frequently after 2 to 3 years, right? So so the company also can't spend more time with you. You also can't spend more time with the company and giving a real contribution so that they will promote you. And if you change after 2 to 3 years, then you have to establish yourself again freshly in that particular company. So basically you are always destabilized in your career. So the pro is you get higher salary. The con is you are always destabilized in your career. And after few years, your CV becomes weak, your resume, your biodata becomes weak. Then the employer starts thinking that, okay, if this person is frequently changing the job, whether I should hire that person. So long term, you are losing. So always you face this dilemma in your life, that whether I should take a short-term decision, which is giving me immediate benefit, or whether I should compromise short-term for the benefit of the long-term. I did compromise my long-term, especially in the early part of my career. If few of you have faced similar kind of challenges of short-term versus long-term decision making and career growth issues, that is, you are not getting deserved promotions or the increment, please type career in the box. Let me understand. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Pankaj, Ursa. Yes, Mahadev, Radha, Abhishek, Gaurav. Yeah, so you please keep typing, right? And as a master life coach, now I have gone back on the memory lane and I have analyzed myself whether my thoughts or the actions were really right. And I can say you that 50% of my thoughts or the actions were not right, because I was not having that wisdom to really take right decisions, to take value-based decisions, right? To take long-term decisions without compromising the short-term. So there was a big amount of wisdom gap, right? When I was in my late 20s or the early 30s. And I used to blame other people. I used to blame my boss. That is, okay, he's not promoting me. He's not uh, appreciating me. So I had all these particular issues. I'm not saying it was one-sided or 100% I was at the fault or the 100% other party was fault. In some cases, it was mutual as well. But in life, you can control only yourself, right? You can't control your boss or the other person's action. So you have to take the right steps in your career, enabling you growing or developing your career, right? So this is what I experienced in my life. And many times you don't grow in your career, not because of your boss, not because of the company, or not because of other people are not honoring your services, because you lack something. You don't know that is what you are lacking, and instead of thinking on your own development, you start thinking that he is not appreciating me and this company is not caring for me, and you start changing the jobs. 99.99%, the solution lies within you. And this I all realize after I myself become a master coach. Then I understood, oh my God, this is how you need to analyze. This is how you have to think. This is how you have to decide. This is how you have to develop your career. So being a coach not only makes you a coach and you start earning additional money by doing a coach practice, it transforms your own personal and professional life, right? So this is the beauty of being a coach. So don't think that the coach means only getting money as a life coach. No, A master coach means not only you get money as a master life coach, you will also succeed in your personal and professional life. You will also succeed in your relationship. You will also succeed in your current job or the future jobs. So this is the beauty, right? So we have the solution. And many times in your career, you become desperate. Why you become desperate? Because you don't have the multiple sources of income. You have only single source of income. And because only single source of income, you sometimes take decisions out of fear, right? So when you have a additional source of income, your dynamo, your decision making changes totally. Then you do not fear about the job increments and the promotions, because you have another source of steady income, right? So you tend to give more time to your career. You tend to become more patient, right? And because of that, your decision making starts becoming long term and less of short term. So these are the additional advantages of you having a steady source of income as a, for example, master life coach. It also transforms your other decision making in your personal and professional life. So this was basically my life cycle for say first 10 to 12 years in my professional life. And as I grew in my career, my life needs and the challenges also change, right? So right now I was talking till early 30s. So these all problems I faced till early 30s, right? In mid 30s at senior level, although the salary level, means I'm talking about the managerial level, although the salary level became comparatively healthy, the new psychological challenge emerged: job security. At senior level, and especially I used to work in business development, marketing and all that. So at a senior manager level, there are performance targets, right? And you can get fired if you do not perform. Now this is a fear: getting fired, losing the job, and you are having only single source of income. And that fear sometimes enhances your performance, but sometimes you take wrong decisions out of the fear. So this is the problem with the fear. Nobody should take a decision out of the fear. People should take a decision out of their value system, right? So this job security has the many cons. Always there is a sword hanging over your head, that is whether you will lose the job. I'm now talking about a senior level, so especially not at the early part of the career, but at the mid part of the career. The probability of you losing the job increases, unfortunately, as you become more senior. If this particular situation or thoughts or emotions of the feelings resonate with you, especially few of the you are already consultants and faculties and some senior people, entrepreneurs I'm seeing, if few of you have felt this kind of job security issue, or you taking decisions out of the fear, or you becoming anxious because of a single source of income, type job in the chat box. Type job. Yes, Rahul, thank you. Sunita, Manisha. Type job in the yes. Atif, yes. Poonam, Rahul. See, our stories are same. Only our names are different. We are born in different families, right? But our stories are same. As a human being, right? As a human being, as a materialistic person, as a family man, as a professional, 80% of our needs, problems, challenges, and the solutions to the problems and the challenges are same. 80% or even more. Independent job, freedom, yes. Yes, Radha, Shraddha, Divyansh, Manisha, Sunita. Yes, correct. So our problems are same. So what solution I'm going to offer you, right? It has worked for me, right? In more than 80% of the cases, it is going to work for you. There is no doubt. There is a zero doubt in my mind, right? So this was till say around age 35. Now situation changes. Another challenges emerges in our life in 40s. And I don't know how many of you are in 40s, but I assume that definitely few of you are in 40s. So in my case, I got bored in my 40s. I got bored with my corporate life and rat race. I craved for freedom, independence, and self actualization. Mr. Maslow is bang on right. He is fantastic. His research is great. That is, at the latter part of the career, it is the self actualization which you crave for. 40s or late 40s is the time you want to do something different, something worthwhile, and something socially contributing. You start feeling that you have been trapped in a cage and you crave and wish to get free. If these emotions resonate with senior members present today, please type freedom in the chat box. Of course, I'm not talking about the students or the younger generation. I'm especially talking about the senior members present here in their 40s, right? Have you craved for freedom? Have you craved for independence? Have you craved for social contribution? That is okay. Now, enough. Now I want to do something contributing. So type freedom. Yes, Kala, Nagesh, Sunita, Atif, Sophia, Rahul, Neelam, Debashish, Sri Kumar, many. Oh my God. So there are many senior people. Social contribution, freedom, Mahadev, okay. Vijay, okay. Zavid, Hiru, yes. Shetal, Dr. Aparna, Priti. Yes, so many. There seem to be many people in the 40s as well today. So yes, great, right? So what we are doing, right? So let me reshare the screen now. So what has happened, since our problems, challenges are very similar, and what solution has worked for me, I believe that in 80% of the cases, the solution is going to work for you, because we are in a same boat. We are in Nova's boat, right? So our problems, the solutions to those problems, our challenges, solutions to those challenges, or approaches to those challenges is similar. Fortunately, I was in a position in my life to contribute. I was uh, uh, at a right place at a right time, and I could really develop something, develop some ecosystem. Fortunate, or maybe it is God grace, or maybe it is some power who is doing something through me, right? So means I don't want to take credit of this. So I could develop an ecosystem which support many of people like me and like you to come out of this particular problem. And this is what we are going to see today. So if you know life coaching, just type what you understand by life coaching. I know few of you might have attended my earlier webinar, but only few of you will know something about life coaching. I think so. I assume so. So what you know about the life coaching? Just in one or two words, you please type in the chat box. Let me understand what you understand from life coaching. Okay, I'm not able to see the chat box. Okay. So as per you, what is life coaching as per you? Okay, Sri Kumar don't know. No problem. You are going to know today. Hetal says helping people. Pankaj says decision making. Sheetal says motivational talk. Unfortunately, it is not. Nagesh says right direction. I think so. Motivation, life skill development. Okay, experience, life security, knowledge sharing, essence of life in real meaning. Okay, interesting. Tapash. Rahul says gives a right way. Okay, let us see. I'm not going to comment right now. Share your motivational experiences with others. Okay, so it is not like that, right? Because I am sharing my experience, that does not mean that life coach has to share his or her experience. Okay, decision making, encouragement, spreading awareness from the start. So yeah, so the people are saying that whatever Hemant is doing, that is a job of life coach. Okay, I'm understanding you. Experience and encouragement, helping people to find true meaning of life. Fantastic, Atif. Okay, Rameshwar, contribution to society. Yes, well said. True meaning of life. Yes, empowering. Yes, live life your life fullest. Hetal, perfect. Enabling others. Preeti, congratulations. An individual who is perfect in each and every part. Nah. I am far from being perfect. Huh? And I don't want to be perfect in the first place. Okay. Radha Goswami, spread real life motivational challenges. Okay. Whatever I am doing. Huh? So communication skills, better lessons, learn from failure. Okay. Guide to right path to success. Okay. Helping people in each aspect of life, not only professional but personal too. Okay. Yes. Uh, be your best self. Yes, Sapna. Yes. Learn from experiences, understanding problems and help to get solutions and implement. Oh, fantastic. Prajakta, understanding problems and help to get solutions and implementation. Superb. Right direction of thought, life, living. Okay. Being in nothing less is the real contentment. Oh. Rameshwar. Bas. Oh. Sophia, develop the right psychology towards life. Oh, superb. Sophia, well said. Develop the right psychology towards life. Superb. So meaningful. And its process, positivity. Superb. Life fulfillment. Great. Few of the answers are really great, and they are learning for me as well. So I like them. And okay, I think I have to reshare it again. Great. Good answers. I am happy with your answers. Few of the answers I genuinely have liked. Now, let us see what is life coaching with a metaphor, with some small video which will enlighten you about the process of the life coaching. So, observe this video very keenly, because after that, I'm going to ask you what is your learning of the life coaching process from this particular video. Okay.
Hey, can you help me? Hey, how can I help you? I need to cross over. You want to cross over the stream? What have you tried so far? I tried to swim. I saw a fish doing that once. You tried being a fish? What else? I tried to jump high. I saw a bird flying over the stream. You tried being a bird? What else? I saw a beaver once building a dike and thought that might work. You tried being a beaver? Would you mind getting into the stream? What can you see? I don't know. Water? And my reflection. Excellent. And what do you see in that reflection? Is that a fish? No, it isn't. Is it a bird? No. Is it a beaver? It's not a beaver. So what is it? It's a fox. So you are a fox trying to act like others. The others do easily what I want to do. So a fox can't do it. No, there must be a way. Can you see a solution here? Indeed I can. Then tell me. Be a fox, my friend. I am a fox. Then act like one. What would a fox do? I don't know. Foxes don't have a skill for crossing over streams. And what are your skills? Foxes are smart, observe and adapt. Ha! Great. So, now, show me how you apply them. Wait! Look! The stream is decreasing! So what? If I wait 2 hours... I made it! Oh, thank you! You are a fox. Well done, my friend.
Yeah, so I know that today's participants are intelligent with your responses on what is life coaching. So I will straight away move ahead in explaining what exactly is the life coaching in very short. The number one, life coaching is not a motivational or a public speaking. Life coaching is essentially one-to-one dialogue or conversation between a coach and a coachee. Coachee means a client, right? One-to-one dialogue. You don't have to be a motivational speaker or a public speaker to become a life coach. Life coaching is a collaborative process. You are not a guide or a mentor or a consultant to your coachee. You do not give direct solution, right? Has owl given a direct solution to fox? That is fox, you wait for 2 hours and then you will get the solution? No. Only owl has asked pertinent, powerful questions to the fox, wherein fox came up with his solutions. Why? Because it is the fox who knows more about his strengths. It is the fox who knows about his or her own life, right? Better than owl. So the solution lies within you. What life coach does? Why life coach gives you the atmosphere, gives you the ecosystem wherein you extract best out of you. So it's a collaborative process and it is not a teaching or the guiding process. Yes, help is there, right? I'm not saying that life coach do not help, but life coach do not teach or consult or give a direct solution. It's a collaborative say equation between a coach and a coachee. Life coach do not give advice, because when the solutions comes within you, your entire brain, conscious as well as subconscious mind, gives you the support in implementing that. But if someone tells you something, you do it half-heartedly. So this is the ideology behind not to advise anyone, but let people come up with their own solution and then give them the ecosystem and help them in implementing those solutions. So helping them to implementing the solution is a important activity of being a life coach, right? And when I say life coach, I am talking about master life coach, right? I'm going to explain you why I'm purposely saying master life coach, right? So it's a very simple process. Anyone can become a master life coach and add great value to other human beings while earning respect and good money in the process, right? It's a very simple process of the 4 steps. The number one is basically a preparation phase. In a preparation phase, basically you need to understand your coachee, you need to conduct some kind of psychometric test and all that, right? So means in a program of say master degree, you will be trained into how to prepare. Once you prepare, you analyze, you go to the root of the problem, you go to the root of the problem goal. Why? Because the coaching is not only about the problem, it is also about you helping them to achieve their own goals and aspirations, right? So you go to the, you bring clarity to the table by asking right questions, like precisely Owl has done. The number 3 stage is actual coaching, wherein then there is a means one-to-one dialogue and all that. There will be few coaching sessions, in some cases 3 coaching sessions in some cases. And generally when I say the coaching session means I'm talking about only 60 to 90 minutes of the conversation. And now 99% of the coaching is happening online. So entire world is your customer now, can become your customer, because all coaching is now being done online very successfully and effectively, because anyway it is a one-to-one communication, anyway you are seeing each other, right? So which was not the case few years back. The few years back people used to meet personally, but now that the same work can be done easily online, right? Very cost effectively. So then there is a coaching process. Again, you will be taught how to conduct session, in which session, what to do and all that. And the last phase is the action and the result orientation, wherein you give variety of the assignments to the coachee and you monitor the process and the implementation part. This is a very simple process. You don't have to be expert in coach's life or coach's profession. For example, if I am engineer, I can coach doctor, I can coach architect, right? I can coach any person from any profession, because I don't have to be expert in their life or in their profession, right? I need to be a coach who knows the process. And as someone has rightly said, I should have a right psychology towards life. I should have a right process knowledge about the coaching. That's it. So I have students in the program where the age is as less as 22 to as high as 58. Right. So the average batch size, batch age of a life coaching program is around 40 years. right? So you can become life coach at any phase of your life. For example, now in industry there is a reverse mentoring, right? So in a reverse mentoring, basically the senior people learn from the uh, millennials. So even a young person can do coaching to a senior person. Why? Because coaching is process oriented. Coaching is not knowledge, or the coaching is not expertise oriented. This is the biggest difference between the coaching and other types of learning interventions, right? Why we are talking about coaching? Why I'm not talking about counseling? Why I'm not talking about consultancy? Because coaching industry has a great humongous potential, unparalleled to any other industry. What is that potential? Number one, the global coaching industry size is 1 lakh crore. Very big size I'm talking about. And it is managed by how many people? Can you imagine? Only 5,000 master coaches. 1 lakh crore business is being managed by only 5,000 master coaches. In India, there are only 200 master coaches. And in India, the coaching industry size is 10,000 crore rupees. Can you imagine what is the available potential, available market for a single master coach in crores of rupees? So there is a great amount of demand and supply gap. Average income abroad, especially in developed countries, a master life coach earns is 50 lakh rupees plus. But in India, where means we don't charge so much, a master life coach can easily earn 10 lakh rupees per annum by working part-time. Why? Because coaching is necessarily 90% plus coaches do coaching part-time. Why? Because the clients are available only in the evening and weekend, because they are also working, right? Because it is an intense conversation. So you will basically do this kind of intense conversation when you are not working in the company or office, right? So when you will come back from the office, at that time only you will have time. So during the day, most of the coaches do their own business or job, and in the evening and on weekends they do coaching, and from that they earn additional income of average 10 lakh rupees per annum. This is the beauty, this is the advantage, this is the strength of becoming a master life coach. This is how you basically address your problems of the financial security, you address your problems of the job security, because now in the job you will be more patient. In the job, you will not take decisions out of the fear. In the job, you will stay more with the company instead of continuously thinking about the salary raise and the changing the job. So your entire life changes. Your entire psychology, philosophy of life, ideology of life changes. You become more stable. You become more, thoughtful person. Your decision making in your own life uh, transforms like anything. You become a long-term oriented person, more peaceful person, more contented person, more contributing person, right? You get evolved basically when you become a master life coach. So what is this master life coach I'm talking about? So there are two types, right? One is called as a certification and another is called as a degree. It is a master degree. So why? Because again, 80% of you, do you know what you are going to do? I'm now sharing you my life experience and the solutions, but this is my assumption. I'm not blaming you, but 80% of you might do the same mistakes, because one of the cons of being human is you don't learn from others' mistakes. You want to do your own mistake and then learn. Unfortunate part, huh? Unfortunate part. So the smart people, only 20%, huh? Not 80%, only 20% of the people learn from others' mistake and they don't repeat other mistake. And that is why they grow in their life fast. So if you want to do the same mistake, what I have done, means in spite of you having the fortune to basically interact with me and attend this particular webinar, then you will be part of those 80%. But if you are out of that 20% successful and evolved people, to be evolved people, then you will learn from my mistakes and you will not repeat those mistakes. So what I have done, because when I became a life coach, at that time no master degree was available. University of Mumbai has started this master degree only in year 2017. I became, means I understood life coaching in 2010 and I became a life coach in 2015. At that time in India, there was no master degree. Forget about India. In entire world, there was no master degree in life coaching. This 2017 Mumbai University is the first master degree of master coach available in entire world. So I was not fortunate, right? So I did this particular certification and I faced many problems which you are seeing on the screen. Curriculum was not complete, right? So curriculum was only teaching the process. It was not developing your psychology towards life. It was not developing your competencies of a life coach. It was not developing your competencies of how to acquire clients when you become life coach, right? Because it's a business. You must acquire clients. You have to promote yourself like how I'm doing, right? What is this webinar? Right. So when I conduct webinar, thousands of the people are knowing me. So this is a one kind of personal branding I'm doing. So a life coach has to have some kind of personal branding. It may not be as high as me because I have a very big companies, right? I have a separate coaching company, separate education company, separate foundation company. I'm not saying that is you have to do like me, but you should know, na? You have to know that is how to acquire clients. The certification program doesn't have that. Certification program doesn't give you the any business launch support. Then the certification program is very expensive. You have to spend lakhs and lakhs of rupees. There are 3 levels of the certification. Put together, you have to invest more than 10 lakh rupees to become a coach, become a master certified coach, right? So, unfortunately, I had to go with all. And now I will again share with you. I'm purposely stopping the presentation. That is what happened with me and why I became life coach in the first place. So my life coaching journey started around year 2010 when my company sponsored me for emotional intelligence coaching. Not only coaching, emotional intelligence coaching. That 1 year of I becoming a, I was coachee. So there was a coach who was coaching me. I was in a position of a coachee, and that coach coached me for 1 year on emotional intelligence coaching, and that totally, literally transformed my life. Earlier, I used to think that, okay, people are not appreciating me and blah, blah, and I had some variety of the things. I absolutely understood that where is the issue in emotional intelligence coaching. And after 2010, because of the emotional intelligence coaching of 1 year, I'm talking about the 18 sessions, which were spread over entire 1 year period. Within 4 years, I got 4 promotions. Within 4 years, I got 4 promotions. And I reached to the top of the corporate ladder. From the senior manager, I became vice president and Asia Pacific business division head, not unit head, business division head, right? At a global level within 4 years. And that was the impact emotional intelligence life coaching had on me. And that was my motivation to start learning life coaching and become a life coach. So when I inquired in the market, at that time only certifications are available. There is an organization called as ICF. So the ICF has 3 levels of the certification: ACC, PCC, MCC. So I did the ACC level of the certification, which is the entry level of certification, wherein you have to spend around 2 lakh rupees only to get one particular certificate, and it takes you more than 1 year to get that particular certificate. So it is a tough job, right? And I thought that, okay, means if I have got so much benefit from the life coach, when I become a life coach, when I get an international degree or a international certificate, I can now do the similar impact on my clients. And I was very peppy, means I was very motivated to become a life coach. But the reality hit me again. This is life. Although I become the ICC SCC certified coach, associate certified coach, I realized that I was not in a position to start my venture as an executive coach. I was not feeling confident at all. Why? Because it never developed my overall life skills, the psychology towards life, the variety of the coaching competencies, how to develop business, how to talk to clients, how to market me, because I was a corporate professional, right? So I was not from the coaching industry. So then I contacted few master coaches, because in India there are very less master coaches, but fortunately I could contact them. And then I came to know that only coaching certification is not at all enough to start your coaching practice. Coaching certification curriculum is absolutely inadequate, right? So also the coaches told me that is okay, now you have to do the PCC and MCC. It will take 5 to 6 years minimum more, right? I have already spent 1.5 years in becoming a SCC. Now again I have to invest another minimum 6 years to become PCC and MCC. Oh my God. And they told me that is I have to spend lakhs and lakhs rupees on this particular PCC MCC certifications. Oh my God. Means what I was thinking is simple was becoming more and more complicated. The master coaches to whom I contacted had acquired many more additional certifications, and they also have spent lakhs and lakhs of rupees, and that was the reason they were advising me to do the same. So I had no other option but to again embark on a learning journey, where in next 2 years time I did my certifications in neuro-linguistic programming, emotional intelligence, behavioral intelligence, psychology, train the trainer, digital marketing and branding, and spend another 10 lakh rupees. First 2 lakh rupees, another 10 lakh rupees, total 12 lakh rupees spent for my holistic coaching competency and life skills development. Of course, all these particular training and all that finally gave me the results. And then I launched my company, You, Me and Life Coaching LLP in year 2017, which now has 3 verticals, business coaching, executive coaching, and relationship coaching. By then, right, so the journey which started in 2014 or 2013, which ended in 2017, so around 4 years of struggle, spending 12 lakh rupees and learning so many things. By then I was wise enough to understand the plight of the certificate coaches, and thus I decided to contribute by developing an ecosystem of the experienced professional psychology, or ecosystem for experienced professionals, psychology graduates, academicians, career break women, freelancers, and certificate coaches like me, and people who are passionate about contributing to the society, right? How they can become successful coaches and how they can earn handsome additional income while contributing to society. That became my purpose. Because see, you become passionate after heat treatment. You don't become passionate by somebody motivating you. No, you have to really experience pain in life, and that pain only drives something great from you. And that has happened with me. And because of all this particular torturous journey I had, I was in a position to think of in the first place, and then to create an ecosystem wherein any normal person after a 14 months of training can become a master life coach, and within the ecosystem get all the support, right? All the support. I became fully aware that being a holistic master coach is the solution to most of our needs and challenges in life. With that realization, that the training and only development and education is not enough. Now Master My Life, that is MML, has developed an emotional intelligence and life coaching ecosystem which provides all the necessary support to students or the aspiring coaches to launch their own successful coaching practice, including global networking, practicing with the established coaches, right? Collaborating with them, getting coaching assignments on the revenue share basis. So all that is basically the solution what I could derive from my torturous experiences and spending lakhs and lakhs rupees. So I know that still 80% of you might go for say same experience, and then once you realize you will become a master coach. But I think at least 20% of you should be wise enough to understand and not to repeat the mistakes or the plight what I had, and directly go for a right solution, right? So what is the solution? So the solution is world's highest qualification in emotional intelligence and life coaching. Nothing less, world's highest. right? So people who have scored 60 or more marks in the life coaching aptitude test are basically eligible, or or they are having a right aptitude to be a master life coach. If you have scored less than 60 marks, then you need some time. But if you have already scored 60 or more marks in the aptitude test, what you have already taken, you are practically, psychologically, competency wise eligible to embark on a journey of becoming a master life coach. So what is this master life coach program? Number one, it is the first master degree in emotional intelligence which combines emotional intelligence management and coaching. It is already endorsed by global professionals from over 20 countries. In this particular master degree ecosystem, you start earning from the first month. This is not that first you learn and then you start earning. You parallelly start working, paid internship, paid projects, part-time job, full-time job. So the ecosystem will help you in getting paid internship, part-time job, and the full-time job while you are learning to be a master coach. So this is the beauty. You start earning from the first month is the first advantage of this particular ecosystem. Another advantage is you don't get only one degree certificate, what I have, right? Means I had when I became a coach. After that, I did many certification. So you get all those certification within these 14 months. You get 12 additional certification. So actually you will have 13 certification, one from University of Mumbai and 12 from the Master My Life in variety of the life skills and the coaching skills, which I am going to show you, right? And there is no additional fee. Master My Life do not take a single rupee from you. You pay fee to the University of Mumbai, right? You do not pay any fee for this 12 certification to the Master My Life. You get global assignments and the hand holding by global master coaches, not only Indian master coaches, global master coaches. You get virtual internship, assignments, practice sessions with them. And of course, MML helps you in launching your own coaching practice. That is the fundamental objective of the ecosystem. That is to handhold you in launching your own coaching practice, not only teaching you coaching, but enabling you to start coaching practice in front of our eyes, right? By mentoring you and the coaching you and helping you with the branding, helping you with the networking. And this all anyone can do. Why? Because the learning system is flexible. If you have time in the morning, okay, take online access of the portal in the morning, afternoon, evening, night. So the learning system is absolutely flexible, right? So I'm going to explain you that, right? So this is a certification. So the certification is from the University of Mumbai, right? So this is a certification of Master of Emotional Intelligence and Life Coaching. Just I'm showing you one example, and these are the examples of the additional certification: cognitive neuroscience, emotional intelligence development, NLP, marketing, HRM, digital media marketing, fundamentals of finance, behavioral intelligence, global cultural sensitivity, train the trainer, business acumen, coach competency development. There are 14 coach competency development. All this you get within the 14 months. So after that, you don't have to spend a single rupee, right? What I had spent lakhs and lakhs rupees, you will not spend a single rupee of getting these particular additional certifications, right? So it is included in the fee what you will pay to the University of Mumbai. This is the contribution, this is the value addition what Master My Life is doing as an industry partner of University of Mumbai's Garware Institute. So these learning 4 modes. So we have a system, a portal of a learning management system, which you can access 24/7. All the learning material, videos, audios are there. Once you log in, once you log out, automatically your attendance get factored. If you have any questions, right, after self-learning on weekly once, the faculty will come live only for a question and answer session so that your questions will get addressed. So you can learn anywhere from the world at any time. Point number 1. On Monday to Friday, each day, evening, 2 hours, live faculty will come and to train you. So it is up to you whether you attend all the online classes or you do some LMS learning and some online. Whenever you enter LMS, your attendance gets factor. Whenever you attend online sessions, your attendance gets factor. Whenever this COVID situation will improve, in the University of Mumbai's Kalina campus, classes will be conducted and the video recording will be circulated to all. So it is not that you have to necessarily attend the classes at the University of Mumbai. All the training material, whether it is LMS or the online classes or the campus, is same. So the presentations are same, cases are same, online, everything is same. So you will not miss. Means someone is learning through LMS, someone is learning through online session, someone is learning through the offline session. The learning becomes same. There is absolutely no change in the learning. So we are offering you this particular learning flexibility, which is called as Learning 4.0. And this is the future of learning. In future, right, we have started it in 2020. By 2025, you will see almost all universities will come up with this kind of blended learning platforms. So this is how it is. So what we do, we give you internship with the coaches. We give you the coaching business planning support, as well as to coaching business launch support. We give you the coaching assignments on a revenue share basis, because to start with, you have to start with something, right? And then you have to promote yourself. That is, I have already coached these people and like that. So that particular startup support is what is given to you. And not necessarily that you have to start your coaching journey from the day one. You can utilize this particular coaching knowledge in your own career growth, because once you become a coach, your perspective towards personal and professional life changes, and you can develop your own team. You can develop people within the company, and you can flourish in your professional career as well as in your business. And we give you the networking with the coaches from the more than 20 countries. So this is the ecosystem I am talking about. And we support you in getting job from the first month of you joining the program. If you are looking for job, if you are not looking for job, you are already a working professional or a business person, then of course it is not required. But if you are looking for a job, we will help you in getting job. We already have a association with a global placement consultancy firm who basically only works to give paid internship and the jobs to our students. So whatever is my experience, right? What is the solution? Number one, Mumbai University Master Coach competency development oriented degree. So it basically develops your competency, and it gives you all the certificates what a life coach should have, right? All the certificates. What is the solution? To give you the placement and the practice launch support, and to give you the networking wherein you can flourish, right? So this is the solution. What is the solution? To become a master life coach, and after that you don't have to spend money on the renewal of the membership, right? Then you do this particular program again. You will get a lifelong support from the Mastermind Life. So this is the ecosystem I'm talking about. The ecosystem which develops your competencies, not only theoretical knowledge. The ecosystem which gives you all the necessary certificates. The ecosystem which gives you job. The ecosystem which makes you part of a global life coaches network. The ecosystem which do not ask you anything other than what you will pay to University of Mumbai as a fee, no additional investment. The ecosystem which gives you lifelong support is what ecosystem I'm talking about. So what benefits you get when you become a master life coach? Number one, self-actualization. It is an extremely fulfilling experience. When you become a master life coach, I cannot express in words. Independence, financial security, because you decide when you want to take session, how many minutes you want to take session. So you control your own time. Independence, freedom. Once you have a steady source of income, you can take your career change decisions without fear. Your stability increases, and also if you have to take any decision of the career change, you want to explore something new, you can, because now you have a risk management. Of course, coaching is a high income profession. Only 5,000 master coaches are there in the entire world. In India, only 200 master coaches are there. So you will be rarest of rare. Respect. master life coach, respect, you can't imagine. The social recognition, the worldwide connections you will make, you can't imagine. I have never imagined, right? So I hope that at least 99% of you can't imagine what respect and what global networking I am talking about. Social impact. Whatever you do as a life coach, you are greatly contributing to the society. So so if I have taken a birth as a human being, I think there is nothing more fulfilling than contributing to the success and happiness of other human beings. And this is a great social impact what a master life coaches makes. And while doing all this, you master your own personal and professional life. So these are the benefits of you becoming a master life coach, right? So now, what is this particular degree, right? So there are only 40 seats in the program, pan India. Only 15 are left. Only 15 are left. 25 are already filled. Program is starting from the 30th of October, next month end, right? And of course, to start with, the sessions will be online and through the portal, because still there are regulations of the COVID. And even after this particular management or the evaporation of the COVID issue, still the LMS will continue, online classes will continue. So you don't have to take any botheration of necessarily coming to the campus, because the recording will be, of course, given to you. If you are looking for any part-time or a full-time job, our ecosystem is going to help you starting from the first month. I'm talking about the November 2020 itself. If you have any financial constraint, time management issues, right, we will support you in that as well, right? We have scholarship, we have earn while learn, we have part-time jobs, stipends, all. So the ecosystem has thought everything. Ecosystem is thinking about what can be the problems, because I have come through those problems, right? So nobody has to tell me that, Hemant, this can be the problem, right? So I have already experienced that. So I have already derived solutions of all these problems. So now the way ahead is